what I want to go over now is how I made these colors in here for my contour lines, which I think is really cool. So what I did was I used this feature of this HSV feature here. So just as a reminder, the function I've chosen is this one up here with this sign and this quadratic. And then I did the same function name f of xy, and then I made my z values equal to L, which is from this list here. This is how you create a list of numbers, and I made them go up by 0.5. You can make this different if you want. You can make it go up by 0.2 or by 1 just by changing these. And then what I did was I let C equals HSV, which is hue saturation value, and this N goes from 180 to 360, and I let this be 1 and 1. Now, what the N means is it's another list that I've made from 180 to 360. So here's the color wheel for HSV. This is the hue, and it went from cyan all the way to this red color here. So it's from 180 degrees to 360 degrees. And if I want, I can go from 0 to 180 to pull in these colors instead. I can make them all if I want. That's why I put N here, because N went from 180 to 360. So I'm pulling in those colors in this color wheel here, and I'll put this whole thing in the comment section in the description of the video. And if I change the saturation, here's S. The saturation tells you how much gray is in it. I want you to look at the wheel, and then the value is how dark it is to how light it is, like this. Okay, and all this is explained on this page here, custom colors in Desmos, and I'll put this in the description as well. Regardless, here's my my surface with the contour lines. Now I want to talk about RGB. So RGB is another way to make colors. I want you to look at this color here. If I change this to, like, let's say this is 100, notice the color changed. So the way I can do that is, if you look, RGB is red, green, and blue. I've created the circle here. Let me zoom in a bit. And if I change the red or the green or the blue, then I can get a custom color. And so if I make it 206, 190, and 48, let me make this a darker color. Maybe like that version of red. Then I can go to my graph and make it 206, 51, and 53, or whatever, and I can make it that. So what I've done is 100, 100, 100. I've made it this special color here, and now when I go up to my graph, I can click on this, and now that special color appears here, and now I make them all that color, or I can even make them that same rainbow of colors, and then come up here and make this my special color if I want, like that.